Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the line style of shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change the style of line shape. Go to the Insert menu, then click Shapes drop down menu. And we can see here many shapes. We find and select the line shape. Then draw these shapes, press shift on your keyboard. Now we can see here we draw this line shape. Go to the format menu, then click shape outline and choose red color, then click shape effect, then apply a preset, then change the color. You can apply this style drop down menu and apply any style. Now we can see here we change the line style of the shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.